What do you say to your kid when they finally start asking, why does grandma not come to any of my birthday parties? And what do you say when the answer is a game that this whole family has been forced to play for years? Here's today's story. Mary's husband is the oldest of 4 kids, and a while back, his mom decided, I don't want to host anymore. She has a small house, and plus, she didn't really like the fact that her 4 grown children asked her to put away her 6 aggressive dogs during family events. She was like, no, this is their home. So how they've worked it out is whichever person is hosting, they start a group chat. They just kind of set it up. The only caveat is they cannot have Mary's mother-in-law in this group chat, because if she is invited via the group, she feels like you're just being polite. After they get it all set in the group chat, then whoever is hosting will do a direct call to the mother-in-law, let her know this is the plan, she agrees, they figure out what food she's gonna bring, it's set. But then like clockwork, every single holiday, 2 weeks before the event, the mother-in-law will call one of her kids and she'll say, I'm not coming. And then that kid will call another kid, and then pretty soon they're all calling each other trying to figure out, why did she back out this time? So now Mary's like, okay, my kid is noticing, what do I tell him? Mary, this sucks so bad. And I resonate with your story a lot because this was my family for years. Well, it still is my family, but now I do something different. So what my family does is pretty similar. It's like 2 weeks to 2 days before the event, somebody will get their feelings hurt or times are changed. It's always chaos leading up to any family get together. And it used to frustrate my husband and I to no end. Like our stomachs would be in knots and it would take the joy right out of the season, because it's like, oh my God, this is just so frustrating. How hard is it just to get along and also just stay committed to one set time and date? Like, why do you have to keep changing it? One season, so I think it was probably a Christmas, and I just love Christmas. I'm like, so sick and tired of this song and dance. I woke up one morning and I'm like, I'm not riding this roller coaster anymore. I have gone through this so many times. I know what to expect. I know it's coming. And basically, I'm going to step off this and let them all squabble and do their thing. And if they change the date and I can't come, I won't come. If, times get changed and I can alter my schedule, I will. And if I can't, I won't. I mean, basically, I'm just going to go with the flow, do what I can, but I am not riding this emotional drama roller coaster with this family anymore. So I told my husband that. He did the same thing, and it was just like that. Every season or every event now, it's so blissful. It's very peaceful. They all do their thing. They try to rope us back in, and we're just like, just let us know when you get it figured out. We don't chime into family group chats, and when people try to side text us, we're just like, you just figure it out. You just let us know when you're done. So Mary, that's my advice for you personally. I'll get to your son in a second. I want you to get to a place of acceptance. You know it's coming. You know she's going to do it. So, and you also know that the party goes on either way. So it doesn't matter whether or not she actually gets there. And that's the way you'll be able to protect your joy for the season. So I just want to tell you that. And I would do what we did, where when our kids started to get old enough and they were like, what's going on? We just told them age-appropriate stuff. So you had said, I believe your oldest, the one asking questions, is a preteen. He's definitely old enough to know that sometimes grandma changes her mind at the last minute. Make sure he knows it has nothing to do with us, nothing to do with you. And if he's confused and he's like, gosh, that just doesn't make any sense, you can just be transparent and say, I know, buddy, it doesn't make sense to us either. It's very confusing, and we just do the best we can, and we enjoy her when she does come, and when she doesn't, we definitely miss her. That's all I would say. So now I want to hear from you. Have you ever stepped off a family drama roller coaster that's just nonsense that pops up like clockwork? Have you ever saw the pattern and decided, I don't want to take this ride anymore? Did it cost you anything? What did you gain? Let's talk about it in the comments.